question was, can I fast every other day? And then every other day, and it's gonna be, it's a Friday, and then it's gonna be Sunday. Yes, because your niyyah is Siyamu Dawood. Your niyyah, your intention is to fast a day and break the other, and not fast the next day. So you're not singling Friday only. You're not singling Sunday only. You're making them every other day. In fact, this is the most highly recommended fasting. This is the best level of fasting, is you fast one day and you eat the other day. Again, doesn't matter, because I told you the levels. The levels is, the first thing is you fast them all, the 9 days. Then every other. Then Monday and Thursdays. Then the least is you will do is the day of Arafah. Number 3, you do the following. Extra salah. Salah. The most beloved deed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now before I say extra salah, I'm going to say one thing. Is make sure you do your salah properly, 5 times a day, the obligatory salah, 5 times a day, on time as much as you can. If you can in the masjid, even better. So you do that. These. Now, alhamdulillah, this is fine. I'm going to add the extras. So I'm going to make sure there is 2 before Fajr. There is 2 or 4 before Dhuhr, noon salah, 2 after. I am going to do 2 after Maghrib, 2 after